guys, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and I'm coming to you today with my very first entry for the Gorgeous Girl mini album giveaway. This participant is sending her goodies in from all the way from Puerto Rico, and her name is Blessed Hands Arts and Crafts. And I wanted to quickly say, first of all, thank you for those of you who watch my videos and leave kind comments. And I also wanted to thank you, those of you who were patient enough to bear with me as I was away for about 2.5 weeks and just returned home from an unexpected trip that I had to make. I'm sorry. So I am back and I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. So I do apologize if everything seems a bit off. I am extending the giveaway since I wasn't home and unable to communicate. I'm going to extend it until the next Friday, which is the first Friday in October. So if you're still interested, there is still time to enter. And again, I've not been able to communicate with anyone, so please enter. Just shoot me an email to paintsandglitter@gmail.com if you're interested. If not, you can, if you feel comfortable, you can leave your email address on the comment section of the very first video, which was the Gorgeous Girl mini album giveaway video. I'll link that below. And it's very easy. You could enter with either an ATC tag or embellishment, whatever you wanted to make. So this one again is from Blessed Hands Arts and Crafts, and she does have an Instagram account, so please follow her there. Her work is very sweet and very delicate. I went ahead and opened this already because I actually tried to film this before and was unable to, so I just wanted to show you the beautiful card she sent. It says "So Sweet," and it has this beautiful dress form she stamped on craft cardstock. It's got a stitched edge, and it has a measuring tape here with a spool, some buttons, a beautiful little thimble that's in gold, and then the background is embossed. And she writes, hope that you and your family are doing well. This is my entry. Hope you like it and the extra goodies. It's not much, but it comes from the heart. Hope you get a lot of entries. Take care. Sincerely, Damaris Cajigas. And Damaris, thank you so much. This is an absolutely beautiful card. I do appreciate your comments that you always leave on my YouTube posts and on Instagram, and I know that you're a very, very sweet lady, so I do appreciate that. Damaris sent a set of 4 embellishments, and these look like little Instagram cameras, which is so fitting because this is where I think she and I interact the most. So thank you so much, Damaris. These are beautiful. I really like the banner that says pray. I am a woman of prayers, so I appreciate that. And there's a little butterfly that she added here with little gems and the word dream, and that's lovely. Let's see here. I think this might be her second entry. Yes, it is. So these are some tags that Damaris is sending. These are really, really sweet. This is a scallop tag that she made. It says thank you, and it has some little fall leaves with a button and twine, and it looks like some washi at the bottom. Very, very pretty. Thank you so much, Damaris. This one is very elegant with a rose, butterflies, and the word love, and the paper is shiny and gold. Very nice. Thank you so much. And then this one says coffee. It has a heart, a coffee cup, and some little coffee beans that even have some shimmer there. I love that. That's so, so pretty. Thank you, Damaris. So this will count as 2 different entries here, so she'll be getting points for that. And let's see what's in here. This is a beautiful little envelope. It looks like she must have made it maybe with a napkin on paper, and it's got these pretty butterflies. Okay, so this is a set of, it's looking like 2 different types of embellishments. So let's see, I'm going to separate these and I'll show you. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, so the first set here is these gorgeous little globes. I think I've seen these on her Instagram account, and they're so pretty. I don't have anything like this, so thank you so much, Damaris. I'll be able to use these on either embellishments for cards or a little mini album. They all have different colored hearts, gold, red, white, and pink. Very, very lovely. Thank you, Damaris. And then these are little, it looks like, oh yeah, little ticket stubs, and they have, oh, this is a great idea. They have sentiments on them, and this one says hello, best wishes with a balloon. There's a little flower there. This one says laugh with a bow and smile with a little camera. So what a great idea. Those are lovely. And those could be added to pages as well. So thank you so much for those embellishments, Damaris. And here, the last one is her ATC, and this was her entry. It says, "You make my art beautiful," and it is a sewing theme as well. And I said you could add your details on your ATC, and she's definitely added here her style, displaying her artwork. It says sewing company. It has a pair of scissors, a needle, and the dress form with these tiny little gems. Very, very delicate and pretty. And then she even colored in the metal part of the dress form there. It has some shine. It has texture with the leaves and the vellum leaf there and the flower with a tiny little gem there in the center as well. Very, very delicate. Her work is always like this, where you really have to pay attention so you don't miss the details, like the tiny little button there. It's so pretty. Thank you so much, Damaris. And on the back, I see here her name, Damaris Cajigas Mabel, or Mabel, September 2018. So simple. And then her stamp here so you can follow her. So now every time I see this, I'll be able to think about Damaris and just remember who she is and know more details about her, of course, about what she likes, just by even taking a look at that. So thank you again, Damaris. This is the first entry, as I said before, and the giveaway is going to include some more goodies other than just the mini album. I did want to mention that. So if you're interested in participating, my next video will show some more of what will be in the giveaway. So please like and share. Make sure you subscribe so that you get the notifications for the following videos, as well as who wins the giveaway. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me also. And I hope that you can be inspired and be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.